Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer music from your Android phone to your iPhone using iMusic. If you ditch your Android phone for an iPhone, or if you have an iPod or an iPad, you may want to transfer music from your Android phone to iPhone. Well, luckily iMusic will make this process go through without a hitch, so let's take a look at how we can do that. Step 1. Install and run iMusic. After we've installed and run the program, we want to make sure that we go over to the Device tab, which will allow us to load each of our devices. So firstly, let's connect our Android device to our computer using a USB cable. If you haven't already enabled USB debugging, the instructions will take you through how to so that iMusic can have proper control of your device. Once we see that our Android phone has loaded into the program, we can then connect our other device, which in my case is an iPhone. If you haven't already on your iPhone enabled the trust settings, you'll need to click on Trust Me so it can connect to the computer. Step 2. Start to transfer from Android to iPhone. Now that we're in the Device tab with both of our devices connected, we have two options to transfer files between the two. The first way is to click on this Transfer Music to Other Device button, which if we click on it, it's going to first go through and prepare and load all of the data on our devices. And then it's going to go through and physically transfer every single music file from one device to the other. In my case, I have my iPhone selected, so I'm transferring everything from my iPhone over to my Android device. If I was to switch and say select my Android phone and click on this button, it would then take all of the music from my Android device and send that over to my iPhone. The second option to do this process is to go into the Music tab inside of any one of our devices, and from inside of here we can select the individual tracks or songs that we want to transfer. Once we have the songs we want, we can click on the Export button, and we can then send these to the other device, in this case from Android to iPhone. Likewise, you can also select your files and right-click and then export to from here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you guys next time.